Hey guys, today we are doing the foundation declutter part 2. So I had so many in my one drawer that I had to split it up into 2 videos. So today we are going to do that. And you guys, it has been a day. I filmed 2 videos today, one of this face and the other this video. So everything was fine and I went to upload them on my computer to start editing, and it was like my computer ate them. Once I put it in the computer, it was like the files were corrupted. I brought it back over to my camera because I could see them, of course, first, and it just kept saying couldn't play back. And now it's like they just deleted. Great. So yeah, we are refilming this. So I'm sorry if there's any overlap between this and the first one. I tried to go through and make sure, but just in case, there could be some overlap, but I don't think so. But typically I always use natural lighting. It is so late in the day now that I have to use artificial. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm always upfront and honest about it. So if it's a tutorial or we're trying something out, I always use natural lighting. Otherwise, I tell you guys because I far prefer natural lighting. But I'm gonna hush and we are going to get into this. So I hope you enjoy and subscribe. I hope you're doing well and thank you so much for watching. So let's hop in. Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. This one is light coverage. You might be able to build it to medium, but I do really like this. I got this earlier in the year. I think it's a beautiful light coverage, definitely keeping. Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. This one, I don't know if you can still get it everywhere. I know it's still available at Walmart. They still have a full display of it. So I'm gonna keep this one. I like it. It feels very nice and refreshing on the skin. Light coverage, but I really like this one. Clinique Even Better Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15. This one I've only worn a few times. I thought it was okay. I'm not quite sure, so I'm going to put this in the to try bin because I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. This one is newer. This is the Uoma Beauty by Sharon C. I guess that's what it's called. This is the newer line, the more affordable Uoma, and it's at Walmart. This is the Flawless IRL Skin Perfecting Foundation. I've used this a couple times. It is medium coverage. It's a lot like their, I think it's called Say What foundation. Medium coverage, matte. I don't really see a difference. It's okay. Where I haven't used it much, I am going to keep it, but it did feel kind of heavy on the skin. And if it is heavy, I will toss it, but I'm going to keep it for now. I had forgotten about this one, you guys. This is the, I don't know if it's the Creme Shop or the Cream Shop, but this is their BB cream. This is full coverage, a full coverage BB cream that has SPF 30 PA++. I mean, that's awesome. This is an awesome product. I don't hear anyone talking about it ever, and it is really good, you guys. The only thing I will say is you do have to set this. It doesn't completely set on its own, but this is awesome. Definitely keeping this. It's a little bit old, so I may have to pick up a new one, but again, it is so stinking good. Doing Smooth by Maybelline Fit Me. This one I never liked. A lot of people like it, so every now and again I continue to pick it up to see, you know, your skin's always changing, so I'm like, oh, eventually I'm gonna love it. I don't. This is light coverage on me. I don't know how anyone says this is full coverage or even high medium. It's just not on me. I don't like it. I don't like the wear, the finish, nothing. This one is going away. Another Maybelline. This is Maybelline Superstay. This is the original. I never liked this. Super heavy, super cakey. I am not a fan. This is cake face in a bottle on my skin, so definitely thrown away. This one's still in the box. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector. I don't know if they even still make this. I've never used it. So I'll put it in the to try bin. We'll try it, see, I don't know. I really don't know. L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier, BB Cream Anti-Redness. I used to use this all the time. It's green, so it's supposed to cover redness. It does have coverage, and I do like it, but this one's about empty, so I'm gonna toss it. Revlon Age Defying 3X Foundation. This one's newer to me. I've only used it a few times, but I did like the way it looked. Medium coverage. It's nothing great, nothing that like stands out, but it did look very pretty on the skin, so I'm gonna keep trying it. Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigments. This one I did like. The dropper is completely defective, does not work, but it has great coverage. This one might be bad. It looks like it's separated pretty bad, so I'm gonna keep it. I'll try it, and if it is garbage, then it will go in the garbage. Oh, this one is a gem, you guys. The VDL Perfect Lasting Foundation. I get this from Ulta. You guys, this is beautiful. It is full coverage. It just makes your skin look like a baby's butt, you guys. It is so smoothing. You look poreless. If you have texture, I'm serious, you will probably love this. And it's not a dry or cakey matte. It's a breathable, natural matte. It is gorgeous, you guys. Even if you have dry skin, I think if you moisturize well, you could still love this. It is so, so good. Keeping, definitely keeping. Oh, Matte and Poreless by Maybelline Fit Me. This one, same thing. I like it better than the Dewy and Smooth. It has more coverage on me, but I don't really like it either, so tossing it. Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation by Wander Beauty. This one has a doe foot applicator. It is medium to full coverage. It's just the undertone on this doesn't work with my skin, so I liked it, but I don't ever reach for it, so I'm gonna toss it. Revlon Candid. This is light coverage, nothing great. I never reach for it, so tossing it. I seriously don't even know where I got this from. This is Second Skin Foundation by Lala Fox. I don't remember anything about it. I don't ever reach for it, so I am going to get rid of it. Conceal and Define by Revolution. You guys, this is gorgeous. It's a little bit heavy, but it is a full coverage foundation. This is beautiful on the skin, but it breaks me out. I can't use it unless it's like a special occasion. I want really full coverage, but it does break me out. So if this didn't break me out, I would totally keep it, but I am going to toss it for that reason, and I hate to, but I am going to. Complexion Rescue by Bareminerals. Sheer coverage, beautiful in spring and summer. I will always have this on hand, for sure keeping. Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid. This one's old. I don't really remember, so we're gonna toss it. Custom Cover Drops by Cover FX. This is old. I liked this because it was so innovative and different, but it's very matte. It's pretty heavy, so, and this is old anyway, but I am gonna toss this. Even if it was new, I would still get rid of it because it's just not my cup of tea anymore. Herbarium Cc Cream. I don't think I have even tried this yet. If I have, I don't remember. So I'm gonna put this in the to try bin. Oh, this is a really good one. Smith & Colt Veiled Threat Weightless Micro Blurring Foundation. This is one like the VDL that really blurs out the skin, makes you look poreless, beautiful. This one's medium coverage, whereas the VDL is more full coverage. But I like this one, very natural, and this one's really good. I have two little ones here. This is the Burt's Bees Goodness Glows Tinted Moisturizer. This did not work on my skin, just very patchy and blah, and I'm tossing it. The other is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. This one is medium coverage. Okay, nothing great, so I'm gonna toss it as well. So with both videos, we have over 20 foundations that are going. That is a lot, you guys. Over 20. I think there was 23 or 24 in here. That's a lot. So yeah, we got rid of quite a bit. I'm so glad we're done with this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.